Hello, I'm Alibao. Today, car tissue box. I'll introduce them to you. This is the first product. Let me introduce you to the luxurious tissue box. The clock is shining. Isn't that cool? It's a really luxurious tissue box. There is a clock on the side, and you can put a vehicle number on the other side. It can be easily installed anywhere in the vehicle, such as the auxiliary seat, so it is very convenient to use. You can easily put in tissues like this way, and then close the bottom again.
So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't.
There's a band, so it's easy to install anywhere in the car.
Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from
It comes in for colors black, gray, wine red, and brown. The price is about $13. Is there a cheaper but more luxurious tissue box? The second product is a cute doll-shaped car tissue box. You know, when you need tissue while you're ill, if you overdo it, you'll get into an accident. So we need this cute tissue box. It's so cute that I'm worried about children playing with dolls all the time. It looks so comfortable to use as an armrest while driving. It's big inside, so it's pretty good to use because it has a lot of tissue. It is very nice to use as an armrest when driving. It's easy to put the tissue in. It's easy to put it in. I can do it this easily. There are 14 animal character shapes, so you have a wide range of choices. The price is about $3.50, which is very cheap. Except for the delivery fee. The green one is cute, too. The third one is a cup holder tissue box. It seems to be the most convenient product to use as a product that can be easily put in a cup holder. However, it may be a little uncomfortable when you drink coffee with your lover in the car. There's no time to put the coffee down. The satisfaction level of the product buyers is the best. There are four colors. The price is $6.37, which is quite expensive. The fourth is the monkey tissue box. Why don't you hang a monkey in the back seat? Like this, this guy can easily open the back and put in tissue. When you're done, you can take the tissue off your buttocks. If you like something simple and neat, please skip this product. Because of the nature of monkeys, they have to hang. If you install it behind the assistant, it is easy for the driver to take it out, and there are parts that are easier to use than you think. If you're careful not to make your stomach explode because of the kids playing with it. It's a product that goes through for a long time. The price is $6.06. I recommend a cute monkey. See you next week.